folks. Here today we're going to check out how to integrate automated device enrollment with Addigy. And you begin this process by going into your policy for which you want to implement automated device enrollment for, selecting integrations and settings, and coming into automated device enrollment, the integration. And what we're doing here is sort of like a handshake where we're going to download a key from Addigy, upload it into Apple Business Manager, who will then provide us with a token that we upload back into Addigy. And this process is pretty straightforward. We'd select Get Addigy Public Key. From there, we would go into Apple Business Manager and create what is called an MDM server. All right, training MDM server. It's asking for a certificate. If I click that, I'm going to upload the certificate that I just downloaded from Addigy. Apple should recognize this and provide me with the token that I'm looking for. I'll download the token and I'll bring that token directly into Addigy. And now I can begin the process of creating my ADE profile by setting up a name for the profile, perhaps a phone number for the profile, a support email for the profile, and lastly, a department for the profile. I'll just call it support. Just navigating low. Here, we have some additional settings that we can use to further customize the enrollment as they are enrolling through ADE. We have the ability to enable settings like activation lock. We can create a user, an ADE account user through here as well. And we also have the ability for shared iPad. Scrolling down a bit below, we also have the ability to add an additional option for authentication. So let's say if you want them to also include a password or perhaps an SSO enrollment link is required, you can select those options there for an additional layer of authentication. And then lastly, you can select the setup steps that you want the user to encounter as they are enrolling, right? In general, most admins would click skip all, but let's say there's something here that's a bit more specific to your fleet of machines, like enabling file vault. Perhaps that's one of the settings you would not let the user skip. But this here really boils down to admin discretion. Once your profile is created, you'll hit save. One second. Once you have created your profile, you'll hit save. And that is how you integrate with Addigy and Apple Business Manager. Thank you.